All right, once you have this laid out, you're ready to start cutting and assembling your bridge. Now, your sticks, basically, since you have a template, we want to lay this on top and we're going to cut them to size. Now, I would make the top piece and the bottom piece a little bit longer than what you show them at. So, the best way to do it, so I've got this hanging over and I'll cut it a little bit longer as well. To cut these, you can just take an X-Acto knife, like that, press down, and there's my piece. If you don't want to do that, make this one, it's like right on the edge. I would actually make it a little bit longer. I want some overhang. Okay, the reason for that, the reason I want to cut the top and the bottom a little bit longer is that when I assemble this on the sides, it just, sometimes we run out of space. So I'd cut the top and the bottom a little bit longer. Everything else I would cut to size. So I put those off to the side. These, same thing, we'll cut on our angles. For these angled pieces, now I realize everybody's bridge is different. So yours, you might be cutting things differently, but if you do have angles, the best way to go about that is pretty much cut them to the actual size. So here I'm cutting straight across. And do the same thing down here, cutting straight across. So that piece is pretty much a perfect fit right there. Now, what you can do is figure out, well, that piece fits there. It's also going to be the same length right here. So what I can do, I need 1, 2, 3, 4 that are the same length. So to make sure they are the same length, lay them right over top of each other. Cut like that. So now I've got 2 that are the same length, and do the same thing. So I've got 4 pieces that are exactly the same. So it'll be 1, 2, 3, and 4. If I don't want to if you don't like using the X-Acto knife, remember you can always cut with a pair of scissors. It cuts very easily. Might be a little more difficult to get an angled piece cutting with the scissors. Or we can use the saw. Now the saw is perfect for straight 90-degree cuts. Basically put it inside here. Just like that. Or we can get 45. Perfect 45-degree angle cuts. So it's up to you what you want to use.